Hello and welcome everyone. Since there is a question asked by Henamir and she doesn't understand actually Hindi, and that's why I have to explain this one in English only. It perhaps the question belongs to class 6, I think. So let us start and solve it. The question is like this one. A person purchased a TV for rupees 18,200. He spent rupees 1,800 on its repair oblique maintenance. For how much did he for how much he should sell it to get rupees 3,000 at profit? The question says that a man is having a TV he has purchased for rupees 18,200, and then since there must be some defect in that, and for that he has to do some repair, and that costed him rupees 1,800. Better to say 1,800, not to say 1,800. So after that, if he wants to have a profit of rupees 3,000 in all, then what actually will be his selling price? Then for that, let us see how we will solve it. So see it. The cost price of the TV is 18,200, and the maintenance or the extra cost that is taken, and that is in single word known as overhead. It is called overhead. Whenever there is extra cost, you write it overhead. Then overhead is rupees 1,800. Then actual cost is what? Then this and this that must be added. That means the total, that is the net CP or the actual CP, will be this one and this one both added, that is rupees 20,000. Then his actual CP becomes rupees 20,000, and now see, he has to get a profit of rupees 3,000. That means what actually is the cost price, after that he has to add the profit, that will be the selling price of that one, that is the selling price. Hence the selling price will be, that is selling price equal to cost price, and then profit he wants to have, that is 20,000 rupees, and that is 3,000, that will be 23,000 will be the selling price of that TV. So I think you must have understand this one. If you really likes, share it. Thank you so much.